Every time you go on stage, your mind needs to be prepared. In my Dance Masterclass, I will show you my zero gravity technique.
It's not a bigger jump, it's a bigger picture.
You want to jump higher, you want to turn more. But guys, that's not what ballet is about. I'm coming to invite you to my Dance Masterclass. What I'm going to teach you is something that anyone can do. Oh my God. The little things that you add in your daily life, the little challenges. The music can be slow, but you cannot be slow. Create rhythm in your dancing. You are the one who has to believe that you can make it. Don't be lazy. Let's start.